was just thinking about something, and it just hit me like a slap. Imagine being in a world, which we're in, where every individual person here has the right to communicate with, talk to, be with, or not talk to anybody that they want to. The only predetermined connections you have are with people that came through your bloodline, right? Imagine that. Then you go out into the world where other people were dropped into this world just like you. Y'all don't know each other, but they feel entitled to you participating with them. They feel entitled to you interacting with them. And if you don't interact with them, then they're mad at you. They don't know you, they just met you. They are mad at you. Or imagine them being upset or jealous because they encounter you and you have something that they don't have. Is that not bonkers? Is that not crazy? That's crazy. Or imagine interacting with this person or these people and you decide, because you're a sovereign being, that you no longer want to do that. And they're mad because you don't want to do that. Who the are you? You're just a random person that I met throughout this journey, and you think that you're entitled to me? You think that you can tell me that I can't depart from you? Who the are you? Who are you? Think about that though. Just think about that. That's weird as talk about crazy. That's weird. Also, imagine that things happen and transpire and a person does something to you, right? And you talk about it. It's the truth. We're talking about honesty and truth. And they're mad because you said what they did to you. Are you fucking crazy? Are you bonkers? We're talking about footprints in the sand. We're literally just giving an account of what actually took place. And you're mad because other people know what you did? What? Then maybe you shouldn't do the shit you do. Yeah? Okay. Can you read? Crazy.